but with different gods, but not even using the one type of magic. Terrible idea. Hunter, Sindri's Feathermoon, Emmy, Nezingwari, and Sylvanas Windrunner all hanging out in a cabin on a hill. Also, none of them have a pet. Oh yeah, it's true. Like, actually, it's true. Like, no fucking like Hunter is like as a fucking pet. Like in like there isn't like an important hunter in WoW lore that actually has pets, that has companions. Like, it's really fucking stupid. I've never tried Hunter. Actually, it was my main during the Burning Crusade. I used to do PvP with Hunter. Like I went from like Paladin to Hunter. Like it is what it is. Like, to each their own, I guess. You know, like it is fun enough. Like I used to do like PvP with it. It was like really like something. Well, that's changed after that. But yeah, no, like it's really weird. Like, there isn't like a single hunter in the WoW lore that has a pet. And hunters have pets. Blizzard, please, like, can we get like one lore, one like a game accurate like in a hunter in the lore? So we can like know, because like I'm even curious to know like what a WoW lore character and an important character as a hunter will have as a pet, right? What would it choose? It's interesting.